We are making a question there. A fair dice shows 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and unbiased coin is tossed together. If the dice shows 1, then the coin is one time allowed to toss. If the dice shows 2, then the coin is tossed 2 times, and then the heads and tails are noted, and so on. Part 1. Make the distribution of the heads on the coin. Part 2 now, E of x, and part 3, variance of x. We know that if it is one time tossed, then you either get head or tail. If you get 2 times on the dice, then you will toss 2 times head and tail, and this total combination is head, tail, head, tail. If 3 times it is tossed, then head, tail, and then head, tail. And this is the combination of all these parts when it is tossed 3 times. Now you are making the heads for that distribution. So let's say head can be either 0, or it can be 1, or it can be 2, or it can be 3, because we are making the heads of that distribution there. So probability of H is equal to H is equal to 0. 0 in other words means that it is tossed one time or 2 times or 3 times, but there is no head on that tail. Sorry, coin there. So you can make this thing as probability of getting 0 head is equal to probability after getting 1, this tail. Probability after getting 2, again you are getting tail and tail. And probability of after getting 3, you are getting tail, so that there is no head on that equation there. So this is going to make this calculation probability of 1. So 1 is 2 times, so it should be equal to 2 by 6 into probability of a tail, there is 1 by 2, plus probability of 2, that is 3 times, so that is 3 by 6 into tail probability is 1 by 2 into tail probability is 1 by 2. Then the probability of 3, there is 1 by 6 into tail, there is 1 by 2, tail, there is 1 by 2 into tail, there is 1 by 2. So this is going to be calculated as 2 by 12 plus 3 by 24 plus 1 by 48. And if it 48 is LCM, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6 plus 1. So 8 6 are 15 plus 1. So the probability of getting 0 head on that prop is 15 over 48. Now the next part will be done here again. If you are getting one head there, so one head means, so if you throw one time, there is head on that. If you throw two on it, then it should be head, tail, or tail head, because there is one head there. And if you throw three times, then the probability of head, tail, plus probability of tail, head, tail, plus probability of tail, head, And this is the total combination of this part there. So probability of 1 is 2 by 6 into head there is 1 by 2 plus 2 there is 3 by 6 into these are the two options. So we can write it as 2C1 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. These are the three options. So 3 probability is 1 by 6. So it is 3C1 and 1 by 2 power 3. So this calculation will be according to that 2 by 12 plus 3 over 6, 3 into 2, 6 over 6, 4s are 24 plus 1 by 6 into 3, 3 by 6 into 8, 48. If 48 is the LCM, then it should be equal to 12, 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 12 plus 3. So 8 3s are 11 plus 12, 23 over 48. Now we are finding when two heads are there. So it means when two heads are there, it means we cannot throw one time. It is eliminated there because we cannot get two times head in the one toss there. So it is only two with the probability of head, then with the three times. So that means head, tail, head. So it should be head, tail there, head, tail, head there, tail, head there. So these are the three options. So it should be equal to 3C1 into probability of that head, tail. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is probability of 2 there is basically equal to 2 by 6 into head. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus probability of 3 there is 1 by 6 into 3C1 that is 3 into 1 by 8. So this is equal to 2 by this 2 and 2 cancel out. So 1 by 12 plus 1 over 16. 48 is the LCM. It is 4. It is 3. So it should be equal to 7 over 48. Now, the last option there is when three heads are there. So it means neither first will be part of that answer, neither second part, because only there will be two heads. Now this is there. So it should be having only one combination there, that it is having the probability of 3 plus probability of head. So probability of 3 there is 1 by 6 into probability of head there is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So that is 1 over 48. Now we will check the answer there. Sorry, just two probabilities, not 7, it is 9 over 48. We have corrected it with respect to the calculation there. So this is the distribution table, and now we will add all these. So we have to check whether it is right or wrong. 15 over 48 plus 23 over 48 plus 9 over 48 plus 1 over 48. So that thing is equal to 1. So it means this probability distribution is correct according to this function there. And now we will solve the second and third part in the next video.